Okay, welcome back. This is our last lesson. So today we are going to introduce two additional or three. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you see the icons. The first one, 2, 3. The third one is how to add a sound. Let me show you how it looks like. So the sound is, you can add a siren like this. Okay, now play the video and see how it looks.
Yes, Mom. I have an interest in clicking pictures and capturing emotion.
Okay.
I have something planned that I want to do, and it is not like corporate jobs.
Then what is it like?
Okay, now let's delete the siren and put something useful. Okay, the fourth one is the music. You add the music to your scenes. So now you can see we have a happy, we have a sad one here. Let's add the happy music. Okay, let's play the video.
Yes, Mom. I have an interest in clicking pictures and capturing emotion.
You can hear it.
I have something planned that I want to do, and it is not like corporate jobs.
Now,
Then what is it
last
like?
but
Please
not the
tell me.
least, that one is how to add text or any introductory scenes to your video. So now let's say a story of Matthew and his mom, or let's say conversation between Matthew and his mom. That one sounds better. A conversation between Matthew and his mom. Okay, I think that is better. Okay, so before you play the video, you see it. Let me put it up. Okay, go up. Okay, this is how you see it before the video plays. Okay, conversation between Matthew and his mother.
Hey,
Okay.
did you receive your degree yet?
Yes,
You can also
Mom.
hear the video.
Why do you ask?
Son,
This-
now that you have completed
this,
your
you can
graduation, I hope you have
and
planned something to
You
choose a
can
career.
download, or you can save it for sharing. Go up, you can see the download sign, upper corner right, tap on it, see save video. You can save it with subtitles or without subtitles. Okay, let's export the video with subtitles. It's rendering, it means it is downloading. It is preparing the video for you. Okay, after this, you have your video. So, thanks for watching, and we are out of here.